Quick bike check of this Norco REVOLVER hardtail before we take it apart. So here it is. In current configuration, bike is at 22.75 pounds. That includes the XT pedals, Selle Italia saddle, PNW 150 dropper post. As for cockpit, XT brakes, we used it with XTR shifter, 50mm stem, 740 bars. This is a Shimano remote as well. PNW grips, 150 SID fork. These are TR32 NOBL rims built with bird spokes and erase components hubs. Scorpion XERC tires. As for the drivetrain, XT pedals XX1 with a 32 oval, XTR chain, XT cassette, and XTR derailleur as well. Overall, an amazing race hardtail.